Today I decided to try out some LLM models locally. I have an old computer that I don't use much nowadays, so I wanted to check if it can be utilized to run some models locally for some trivial tasks. The computer has 16 GB RAM, Intel i5 4th generation processor, and 1.5 GB Mesa embedded graphics. Since the specs are low, I wasn't very hopeful but wanted to see how good or bad it is going to be. By the way, the goal of this video is to share my personal experience rather than suggesting you anything. So the first thing that I did was installing Debian 13 because it is very slim compared to other distros. Then I installed a lightweight desktop environment called XFCE because I wanted to save RAM for LLMs as much as possible. Once Debian with XFCE was ready, I installed Ollama that lets you run LLMs directly on your computer. Ollama installation was super easy. You just run the bash script and you are done. Everything is taken care by the script. Now I have to download at least one model to run. So I decided to go with Llama 3.1 8B first. The file was nearly 5 GB, but the download speed was fast enough. Once downloaded, you can run the models with this command. It took a few seconds for the model to load. Then I started having simple conversation with Llama. Most of the answers were satisfactory. It takes a few seconds before responding, which is expected for a computer with these specs. Another issue is that answers related to the current affairs and general knowledge, they are outdated, which is again expected. The overall experience with Llama was not that bad, so it gave me some confidence to try another a bit larger model. So the next model I pulled was Qwen 3.6 27B, which has 27 billion parameters. The file was 17 GB and it took almost 30 minutes to download. I was really excited to try this one, but it didn't even run. I ran this command and waited for more than 10 minutes. The prompt did not show up, so I understood that it is not going to run with my specs. I think it was a bad idea to even try a model with 27 billion parameters on a computer with 16 GB RAM, just 16 GB RAM. The next model I tried was Gemma for E4B, that is effective 4 billion parameters. I had some expectations from this one because it is from Google, but again all I got was disappointment. It takes more than 10 minutes to respond to a simple question. It shows all the process it is going through before answering, which is good, but not practical at all. It is not really practical to wait for like 10 or 15 minutes for a simple chat with LLMs. Anyways, I thought of utilizing the models for something useful. Just typing prompts on the terminal is not that great experience. So I installed Claude Code to check if it could write some code for me. After installing the Claude Code, you just have to run this command to make it run with your local model. This part was certainly easy and kudos to the Ollama team for that. But what came next was a total disappointment. Claude Code literally did nothing even after waiting for more than 20 minutes. I asked it to create a simple HTML file with Tailwind CSS and waited for more than 20 minutes. The output was 0. I tried with other simpler tasks, but it could not even create a file on my computer. I tried with Llama 3.1, Gemma 4, E4B, Qwen 3.57B, but the result was same for all. Claude Code keeps thinking and it does nothing at all. Later, I also tried with Gemma 4 E2B, effective 2 billion parameters, but got the same result. Initially, I thought it was because of the specs of my computer, but later I found some videos on YouTube where people tried running Claude Code with local models with 64 GB RAM. Even they were very disappointed. And this is the part which made me make this video and share my experience. There is so much content online telling us that Claude Code plus local LLM is such a great idea. People are making videos as if they are doing something really productive with Claude Code plus local models. But that just looks like a way to attract more viewers on YouTube. I'm not telling this solely from my personal experience. I watched a few other videos where people are getting practically zero results with Claude Code plus local LLMs, even with 64 GB of RAM. So finally I would say this: if your computer has at least 32 GB RAM and 12 GB graphics and you are trying out LLMs just for learning purpose, go ahead. But if you are planning to do something useful with it, if you are planning to replace the cloud models with your local models, you are going to be disappointed.